The Precision Wavers Shape Up. First, we have to remember that the top length is a 1.5. So with this 1.5 guard that I have on the clipper, I'm laying down the foundation of the shape up line. Now, what is very, very key is to understand that I'm not actually cutting at the shape up line. This is the hair that hangs over the shape up line. So therefore, I'm just cleaning this edge up, which creates my ultimate shape up. And from one side to the other, I make sure I create my draft. Now, when I create a draft, that means I'm doing just enough to see. When I use my razor, that's when I define the line. But right here, this is creating the draft of the shape up. And once I complete this, I go back in with the razor very gently, not too aggressively. Literally, when I'm using the razor, all I'm doing is getting as close as possible to where the line starts. I'm not digging into the line. I'm not trying to create a new line or make it extra sharp. I find this method of going down from the shape up line most effective in order to remove any excess hair or any vellus hair, and in order to get a clear vision of how this shape up is going to perform once I use the razor the opposite way. And as you can see here, the shape up is forming very, very nicely. It's very, very precise. It's very, very clean. And all I'm doing is literally tapping the line just enough to make sure that the hairline is intact. And everything else is going to fall right into place. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.